Welcome friends to another edition of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. In the past few sessions, we have spent literally a lot of time on learning about the date formats in Excel and how we can present dates in its various avatars. We have also seen how Excel calculates the dates with 1st January 1900 as day 1 and time being a fraction of the day. We will now see how we will calculate the difference in dates and time. We will go straight into the topic. We will start with the basics of difference between days. The function is days and the arguments are end date and start date. So this will be the function. I will make it a string. So this will be the formula. The arguments are end date and start date. So let us say date 1, date 2, and what will be the result. So date 1, the start date can be like we always do, it is today. End date, so anything ending today, and start date, let us say 1st January 1 1. So it will take default as 1 1 20. The result is, we use the formula now, days, the end date, that is 3rd December, the start date is 1st January, and then you close it. There are no more arguments for days, only 2 arguments. Result is 337. So 337 days have elapsed from 1st January to 3rd December. Suppose I give the same function, I'll just copy the whole thing, put it here. So end date, start date, we will make the end date and start date the same. Suppose, so 3rd December 20, and I'll again say 3rd December 20, the days is 0. So difference between today and today is 0. So this doesn't give the number of holidays between these two dates. It is assumed that we just want to know difference of date. This is useful, for example, like calculating the age or days due for a loan, wherein irrespective of holidays, the interest keeps accumulating. If you want to know, for example, the number of days available for you to complete a project, wherein you exclude the holidays, then you require another function which is called net work days. It's not network days, this is net work days. And once you see, the arguments are start date, end date, and holidays. Holidays optional format. So this is the format. So we'll again make this a string. Here the arguments are start date. See, it is not end date and start date. It is first give the start date, then give the end date. The options are start date, end date, and holidays. We'll use the start date, end date alone now. And the start date now will be, we'll go to back to 1 1, and then this will be today, 3rd December. Result is, now use the formula net work days, the start date which is 1st January 20, the end date is H5, and the holidays will come to it later. You can close this. This gives 242. What it does here is, Excel for network days formula, it is assumed that it is a 5-day week, that is the weekends are as per the US standard, wherein all Sundays and Saturdays are holidays, and you got a 5-day week from Monday through Friday. So there are net work days of 242 days. This is only holidays calculated for Saturdays and Sundays, not any other holidays like Christmas or New Year or Easter or Diwali or Eid al-Fitr or so. I'll copy the whole thing here. Net work days, start date and date. We'll see when both are same, that is both are 312, net work days become 1. That is because even if employee comes, he came for 1 day, that is he came on 3rd December, a temp part-time worker, he came for 3rd December and not only 1 day here, the net work days are still 1. We have to pay him salary for 1 day. That's why the net work days, when I take the same day as end date and start date, result is 1. Unlike the days, when the difference of days between 3rd and 3rd is 0. This is one important difference between days and net work days. We will now come to the next option of using the third argument of holidays. So let us copy again the same thing here. Net work days, start days, end dates, and we'll use the option of holidays. So there's a comma here. Yeah, this is the holidays. Now holidays can be given separately. So this will have the list, let us say holiday list. So we'll do it first for this month. Let us say start date is 1st December, end date is 31st December. For 1 month, let us see, there are 23 working days. We'll make this again. First we'll make this as 1st December to 31st December. So there are 23 days of net work days, and if I make days as 112 to 3112, there are 30, sorry, this should be in reverse, this will be 3112 to 112, there are 30 days. So there are 23 working days between 1st December, 31st December, taking only Saturdays and Sundays into account. Now we'll come to the holidays option. Other than Saturdays, Sundays, there might be other holidays. For example, let us assume 15th December is a holiday, and Christmas Eve is a holiday, and 25th Christmas is a holiday. There are 3 holidays list here. We can increase list as required. Now we can now type the holidays also here. The holidays are in H7 to H9. So we'll type here the range where we want, where the holiday list is provided. That is H7 to H9. There are 20 working days between 1st December, 31st December, taking Saturdays, Sundays as holidays, and 3 days. And just to again inform you, these 3 days don't fall on a Saturday or Sunday. If they falls on that one, let us assume one of these holidays falls on, let us say 13th December. So when I say 13/12, this changes 21, because 13th is already a Saturday or Sunday. That is, if holiday falls on Saturday or Sunday, that doesn't take that into account. So let's make it 15 again. So there are 3 holidays other than Saturday, Sundays. We get 20 net working days. Now, rather than typing F7 to H7 to H9, or when you increase one holiday here, what you can do is you can name this with a range name. Let us name it as, let us say, holidays. So when I type here, I can directly type HOLIDAYS, holidays. This is name range, so I get 20 as the net working days. Well, now net working days is for those areas or countries which use the US system of having a 5-day week with Saturdays and Sundays as holidays. How about a few areas and a few countries where use different there you use the network days dot international INTL. So this is the formula. I'll again make this a string, and then the arguments are same: start date, end date, and holidays. So I'll copy this whole thing here, except this will see how we can do it. Remove holidays for now. We'll see. We'll first calculate without the holidays. So here the argument is network days dot intl. So I'll change the formula accordingly. Network days dot intl. When I give the international, I get the start date, end date, and the options are weekend and holidays. So here, let us come back to this bit while. We'll have to give two options of. One option is weekends. Second option is holidays. So what does this mean? So we'll again come back to network days dot intl. Start date, which is again C8. End date, which is D8, and then I give the weekend. When I go to the third option argument, I get the default is Saturday, Sunday, as you can see here. Other options are Sunday to Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday. Or else, if you have 6-day week, it is only Sunday alone, Sunday only, Monday only, Tuesday only till Saturday. So now, if you have a 6-day week like I have, then only Sunday is a holiday. That is, argument is 11. So I give here 11. That is, Sunday is, there is only one weekend for me, Sunday, Saturday being working day. 11. And then now I calculate net working days, I get 27 days. 1st December to 31st December, barring the 4 Sundays, these 4, 6, 13, 20, 27, I have got 27 net working days. So in some countries of, let us say, the Gulf, wherein the holiday is on Friday, Saturday, or Thursday, let us assume Friday and Saturday, I use the argument number 7 and then close it, and I get 23 working days. Since there are 8, the Saturdays are the same as Friday and Saturday, number of days. If we go further, let us assume we use Thursday and Friday. In that case, I use Thursday and Friday as holidays, the weekend days. 6 is Thursday and Friday. Then I have 22 working days, not 23. As you see here in the calendar, there are 5 Thursdays and 4 Fridays. So I get one more extra holiday here, it becomes 22. So here, just for clarity's sake, I'll write it here. This is for Thursdays and Fridays. I'll use argument holidays. Just for clarity's sake, I'll make this as notes. Now, same thing with holidays. Network days, we'll use here, we'll use the weekend holidays argument. I'll just put the weekend here, and I've used the holiday argument also. Then I put again after 6. After all the weekends, I still require for holidays, so I'll use the same range name here, the holidays. Holidays, I will use it, and then we get 21, because this out of the 15, 24 and 25, 25 was on a Friday, so and 24 falls on a Thursday. Since we have taken the argument as Thursday and Friday, I get only 15th as a one more holiday here. That's why, even though I take 3 holidays for this argument, the net working days is reduced only by 1 day. We will see on further date calculations in our future sessions. Till then, hope you have learned something new, and have a good holiday month which starts in this month of December. Thanks for watching.